Well, being that it's Sunday, it's going to be a church day and time to spend with family and pets.
I'm talking about just from because in this verse, the Bible talks about the perfect will of God, all right? In other words, why should I hide from His reward? I cannot give
Compare him to me, let's compare him to God. When compared to God, everything's small.
sin, the way of death, the way of cursing. Therefore, every one of us. You got some weakness in your life? You got weakness in your thought life? You got some areas where you're not strong? Hey, you can be loosed.
Amen.
From your infirmity. Jesus can set you free.
Tic-tac-toe, and she was not very good at it.
Play your best Blue, paper, scissors, shoot. Blue, paper.
I didn't really see a lot of change on my weight today, but you know, that's okay. Like before, you're gonna see ups and you're gonna see downs. So just take it day by day and stay consistent. There's nothing wrong with that. If you didn't know this about me, I am a police officer and I'm on duty tonight. I know, Super Bowl night, I'm on duty taking care of animal situations and Lord willing, nothing else. Should be a good night. So exciting action today. We had a dog loose in town, almost got hit by a few cars, and a nice family took the dog in until the owners came to pick it up, and I just gave that sweet little dog back to the owners and everything's good. All in all, everything's pretty good as far as my health journey is concerned. It's really good to have a rest day. You know, I had quite a few leading up to this one, and today is no exception to that. Mostly driven by workload. You know, I had to go to church this morning, and I have my duty today as a police officer all the way until 11 p.m. tonight, so it makes for a long day. I don't get to go to the gym in the morning probably just because I'll be tired. But right now, I'm at a negative 156 calorie deficit. So I'm still at a deficit, it's just not gonna be 860 calories like I normally like to do. I've marked that as my goal in order to lose 20 pounds in 80 days. You know, it's not an exact science, but it's just something I put together and hopefully does the job. You know, I'm encouraged because I have seen some progress. I'm encouraged by all of your comments. If you're on this journey with me, just keep pushing forward like I'm pushing forward, and together we're gonna make some serious progress. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I do hope I get a chance to go to the gym. I don't work tomorrow evening. I do go to work like a normal day, 8 to 5, but I expect tomorrow to be a good day, an active day. If you haven't thought of it yet, hit that like button, that subscribe button for me. It really helps the channel out. It just makes it easier for people to find my videos, and I appreciate every single one of you for watching my video up to this point. You know, until next time, have a great night, guys.